Next, we have max function. As the name suggests, max function returns the maximum value, right? How it will calculate? It returns the largest value from a column or between two scalar expressions. That means either we have to provide column as the input or we have to provide two scalar expressions, correct? So the syntax of it is max column. Inside max function we provide column, or inside max function we provide two expressions. So here we have parameters as column or the expression. From either of the two, from which we need to find the largest value, right? Then it returns the largest value. That is obvious, correct? Now, going to our Power BI desktop, and we will be calculating one measure for calculating the DAX. If you see DAX playlist here, I'll be creating this inside this playlist or the table itself, and this is the calculation specific table. How to create this calculation specific table, there is a video already recorded for it, so I'll attach the link into the description. Now I'm just creating one measure for displaying max function for a column. So the example I am taking is, first of all, let me just rename it max quantity sold. So here I will be displaying what is the maximum quantity of a product that we have sold, right? So here what I have to do, give the max function. Then once we write the function here, it shows the definition of that function, and it shows the syntax. So here it is showing, asking me to pass column name or scalar value. So here I have to provide quantity column, right? Because I want to find out the maximum quantity. Now to save this, you can either press enter or you can just take it to commit, right? Now to display what is the result, I am using one card, and inside this card I'll be displaying the DAX, right? Max quantity sold. So this is 14. You can copy the formatting from different card to this card. So I'm just doing that way. Copy for printer and paste this formatting here. Now I told you that we can also provide scalar values or expressions. So one example for that also. Here I have, let me just give it max scalar value, right? Then I have max function, and we have only two parameters here, so we can provide only two values, right? For example, 5 and 9. And if I press enter, it will be committed, and I'll be displaying in different card the value of this max scalar value function, right? Which is 9. So formula we have written is 5 or 9, which is maximum. So result is 9. Now few things are there to be noted. When comparing two expressions, blank is treated as 0, right? That means if any of these two values is blank, then that blank value will be treated as 0. So for example, as of now result is 9. Now if I just have blank instead of 9, what will happen? It will give me result as 5 because it has treated blank as 0. Now if we are comparing expressions and either of the expression returns a value which is not allowed, then maximum returns an error. Okay, now the third thing is, if we have both the values as blank, as of now 5 and blank we are comparing, and this blank is treated as 0, what will happen if 5 is also a blank? Instead of 5, if I create blank, then blank is returned, right? So these are the rules that you need to keep in mind for while using max function. So also you cannot use this max function for evaluating boolean values, right? In case if you have true or false values, then this max function is not to be considered, right? So see you in the next video.